Most traders think they need a better strategy, a better setup, a better indicator, a better entry. But the uncomfortable truth is this: a mediocre strategy with discipline will usually outperform a great strategy without it. And that is where most traders lose, not in the market, in their behavior. The search that never ends. Most traders spend years chasing better systems, new indicators, new time frames, new methods, and every time results disappoint them. They assume the strategy is the problem, so they switch again. But the losses follow them, because the strategy changed. The behavior didn't. Why strategy alone isn't enough. A strategy is just a framework. It tells you when to enter, when to exit, how much to risk. But a strategy cannot make decisions for you. When the trade is live and money is on the line, that's when discipline takes over, or emotion does. What really happens? Think about how many times this has happened. You see your setup, but fear makes you hesitate. Or you enter, then price moves a little against you. Now fear says, "Get out." So you close early. Then the trade goes exactly where you expected. The strategy worked. You didn't. That's the difference. The invisible edge. The edge in trading often looks boring. Not brilliance, not prediction, just repetition. Taking valid setups, accepting losses, respecting risk. That's discipline. Legendary trader Jesse Livermore understood this. He knew that markets reward patience and punish impulse. Why discipline feels harder than learning. Learning a strategy feels productive. It gives you something to study, something to improve. Discipline feels different because discipline forces you to face yourself, your impatience, your fear, your ego. And that's why traders often avoid it. It's easier to search for a new system than confront your own behavior. The probability problem. Here's what many traders miss. Even a strong strategy can lose several times in a row. That does not mean it stopped working. It means probabilities are playing out. But without discipline, a few losses feel like failure. So traders abandon the plan, skip the next setup, change the rules midstream, and now they never allow the edge to show up. The same strategy, different results. Give the exact same strategy to two traders. One follows it exactly, the other hesitates, exits early, and changes risk. One becomes profitable, the other keeps struggling. Why? Not because of intelligence, not because of knowledge, because of execution. And execution is discipline. As trading psychology expert Mark Douglas taught, consistency is not built by predicting better. It is built by behaving consistently. What discipline really looks like. Discipline doesn't mean feeling fearless. It means acting correctly despite fear. It means taking the setup even when you're unsure, taking the loss without anger, staying patient when nothing is happening, not chasing after what you missed. That's real discipline, and it's where long-term profit lives. The mindset shift. The moment trading changes is when you stop asking, "How can I find a better strategy?" and start asking, "Can I follow one strategy well enough for it to work?" That question changes everything, because now the battle becomes internal, and that is where real progress starts. Closing. Discipline matters more than strategy, because strategy gives you a plan, but discipline determines whether that plan survives contact with emotion. In trading, your biggest edge is not what you know, it's what you can repeat. Subscribe to Mind Over Markets, because profitable trading rarely looks exciting, it looks controlled.